Anarcho-capitalism is a political ideology that advocates for the complete abolition of the state and the establishment of a free market system. In theory, this system would rely on voluntary exchanges and property rights to regulate society, rather than government intervention. However, in practice, anarcho-capitalism is a terrible idea for several reasons. Firstly, anarcho-capitalism assumes that individuals are inherently rational and capable of making informed decisions in a free market system. However, this assumption ignores the reality of human behavior, which is often driven by emotions and biases. In an anarcho-capitalist system, without any government regulation or oversight, there would be little to prevent individuals from making harmful or irrational decisions that could negatively impact themselves or others. Secondly, anarcho-capitalism assumes that property rights can be objectively defined and enforced without the need for a centralized legal system. However, property rights are complex and often subjective, and disputes over them would be difficult to resolve without a legal system to adjudicate them. Without any centralized legal system, anarcho-capitalism would result in a chaotic and unstable system where disputes are resolved through violence or other means. Thirdly, anarcho-capitalism ignores the role that the state plays in providing public goods and services that benefit society as a whole. These public goods and services, such as education, healthcare, and infrastructure, are necessary for a functioning society, but they are often unprofitable for private companies to provide. In an anarcho-capitalist system, there would be no mechanism to provide these public goods and services, leaving society worse off as a result. Lastly, anarcho-capitalism would exacerbate existing inequalities in society by allowing the accumulation of wealth and power to be concentrated in the hands of a few individuals or corporations. Without any government regulation, these individuals or corporations would be free to exploit workers, consumers, and the environment to maximize profits. This would result in a society that is highly unequal, unjust, and unsustainable. In conclusion, anarcho-capitalism is a flawed and dangerous ideology that ignores the complexities of human behavior, the need for a centralized legal system, the importance of public goods and services, and the role of government in promoting social justice and equality. Instead, we need a system that balances the benefits of free markets with the need for government regulation and intervention to ensure that society is fair, just, and sustainable.